Hello everyone. In this session, let us do another exercise. Let us say we want to regularize a price. So for example, we have a string over here which says your total cost is $24.99 after $0.99 of sell discount and $12.09 of coupon 1 and $0.00 of coupon 2 discount. So basically, it can be any price which have the digits both before and after decimal point, or which can be just a zero before and after the decimal point, or which can be zero before decimal point and actual number after decimal point. So it can be any price, and our pattern should be able to regularize that price and should be able to extract it. So we need to create a pattern which matches all these prices, and then we should extract it. So let's first take a string. Say str1 is equal to, I'm just going to copy and use this string over here. And now let's build the pattern. So the pattern for price would be, it always starts with a dollar. So we need $1, right? So we'll put a dollar sign, and then we just want $1 sign, not $2 sign. So we have to make it just one repetition over here. Okay, so starts with a dollar, and then we have the digits, right? It can be any digit. How do we specify the digit? By using 2 backslashes and D. And how many digits it can be before the decimal point? At least one. At the max, say, let's say any. So I can say something like this. There should be one digit, or at the max any digit. So I can just leave the second digit or second number blank here, and then put a dot sign, and then we will use another backslash, and then same thing here, right? Because we need something after the decimal point. Also, it can be a zero, or it can be multiple digits, whatever. So which will be taken care by this D over here. Now, coming back to this dot, in the last session we saw that if we just use a dot, then the basic nature of dot in regular expression is to accept any character. So in this case, it is not accepting any character. The dot is representing the actual dot. So for that, we need to add this escape sequence here. And then for the dollar also, in this case, in the regular expression, the dollar has some meaning. It acts as the ending. It represents the ending of a string. That's the basic, or that's the default meaning of a dollar in regex. But over here, the dollar is representing the dollar character, the special character dollar itself. So that's why we need to add the backslash here also to escape that default meaning and take the literal meaning, the dollar. So that's it. It is the regular expression pattern which represents the price. Now, to extract all the prices, we can use the pattern. So the pattern class, pattern p is equal to pattern dot compile on this particular pattern, and then we will use a matcher. Matcher m is equal to, we'll use the pattern object, and then we'll use the string. We need to import the pattern here manually, right? And now it's just a matter of using a while statement. While matcher has matches, while matcher is able to find the matches, we'll just get and print all the matches. So m dot group. So all the group, it's all the group of characters which are getting matched by this pattern, we will retrieve and print one by one in the console. So let us run this program and see if it is able to retrieve all the prices. Yes, so $24.99, $0.99, $12.09, and $0.00. Let's make some changes. Let us try to make some prices a little different here. Let me just add a couple of zeros. So I just modified some of the prices to check whether this pattern is representing these prices now. And let's run it again. And yes, it is representing those as well. So as is, whatever are the prices from the string, it is finding those and printing for us. So as simple as that. This is an interview question. These type of questions are asked in the interviews in the companies like Amazon, Facebook, Google. this specific one is very famous in those kind of companies. And in the next session, I'll talk about another interesting topic in the regex. Thank you.